Okay, Singing in the Rain. You start with your umbrella on your right shoulder, facing the back. We're in like a pyramid. It's got some rain sound. You're going to wait, and then you're going to turn slowly to the front. When you start to hear the first da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, your counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? It's going to be like popcorn. We haven't really set the numbers yet. But and everyone, it's 1 and then 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? You hold it after that. So it'll look like popcorn going on throughout the thing, throughout the pyramid. And then it does like a little electronic da-da-da-da, and then same thing on your number that you were before. 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll da-da-da-da-da. It'll be quick, and then it's a da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and it like dies. Okay? Then you'll just stand there. Then same thing. We will do a ripple, starting with me in the front, and then the second line, third, fourth, and fifth. There's 5 rows for the pyramid. Okay? When you start it, your umbrella comes up at the same time you do your first slap. So the step itself, slap, drop, step, step, slap, drop, step, step, slap, drop, step. Okay? We're doing tap style for this first section of this dance, so everything is more of a tap style of a dance. So make sure you're very grounded. They're not poppy, it's more grounded. Slap, rock, step. When you step on that one is when this one releases. Slap, rock, step, slap. Okay, there's 7 of them. So I'll start on 1 with my right. Whoever's behind me will go left, because they'll start on the second one. The third row right, 4th row left, 5th row, everyone. Okay? So once you start, you don't stop. It just continues on. This next part, I'll teach you about the umbrella first. It's more syncopated, and it's not as hoppy. So make sure you're watching that, and make sure you listen to the rhythm, okay? You're going to start with a double step, double on the left. So double step, double, 2 hops. Then you hop on this one again. Hop, hop, double, wall, knock, heel, stop. So donk the right, drop the heel, just like a Cinderella as you go through. So double step, double, rock, step, hop, double, wall, knock, heel, stop. Then you got a little pause, and we're going to start the double on the left and go the other way. Double step, double, rock, step, hop left, hop, hop. Then these 2 are called scuffles. Scuffle, step, scuffle, step. So instead of a double, where you use your ball, this one uses your heel and then your ball. Scuffle, step. Okay? So step, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step. It's the end of that side. Okay, do that one more time, both ways. Ready, and double step, double, rock, step, step, double, ball, knock, heel, stop. Double step, double, rock, step, hop, scuffle, step. The next step is called a Shirley Temple. You're going to do what's called a flap. You go brush, and then just step on the ball. There's no brush going back, brush. So it's a flap. Then the weight, the one you have your weight on, you're going to lift it up, drop it, heel drop, pull this one up, flap, heel, toe, heel. Okay, that's the whole Shirley Temple on one side. Flap, heel, heel, slap, heel, knock, heel. Then we're going to do it the other way. Flap, heel, heel, slap, heel, knock, heel. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3, and let's see. And 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. These are your counts. Okay? It will go a little bit faster, but it is a slower step compared to the ones before it. Okay? From there, you're going to do what's called bomber shake, both left and right. You step out on your left. The moving step is just a slap heel, slap heel, slap heel, slap heel, slap heel. so da 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 da, and then you're gonna go the other way, step, and this one pops up, flat, heel, step, flat, heel, step, flat, heel, step. So you got 4, and you're gonna kind of lean it and pop your umbrella up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try all, that's your 4 counts of 8. After our ripple at the beginning. We're going to just do those steps. Ready? Double step, double fall. Rock, step, step, double fall, rock and step. Double step, double rock, step, step, hop, shuffle, step. Go back, heel, heel, fall flat, heel, heel, fall flat, heel, heel, slap, heel, down, heel. Da 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 da. I can't say those fast enough. Okay, start music.